Hello everyone, my name is Miranda Johnson. I'm the National Sales Director for Eraclea Skincare, and today I want to talk to you about our stay-at-home essential kit. It's 4 products. It comes in this cute little bag, and it's everything you need to stay moisturized and hydrated at home. So first product is our Eye Surround Cream. This is good for dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles, and it has CBD in it, which is really great for targeting redness and irritation. All you need is half a pump, and that's good for both eyes. And you can also apply this to your eyelid area. Not all eye creams you can do that with, but this one you can. You can put it right there on the eyelid. And it also doesn't clog your pores as well. That's another really great plus about this eye cream. Next one is our Hydrating Day Lotion plus PB. It's a mixture of probiotics and peptides to help with fighting against accelerated aging and environmental stressors like the sun. And then also it's a really great lightweight moisturizer. All you need is 1 to 2 pumps. And you would apply this after your serums and before your sunscreen. And it does give you a really nice dewy glow. We have our Restorative Hydrating Night Cream. It has everything you need to restore while you're sleeping. It's got peptides that help firm and lock in moisture to prevent moisture loss. A little goes a long way. Just a little skim across the top is all that you need. And that should be enough to cover your neck, chest, and face as well. And then last but not least, we have our Ever Moist Lip Balm. This lip balm is the bomb. If you are suffering from dry, cracked, de-stressed lips, search no more. This lip balm will help lock in moisture and hydrate and give you that smooth, silky appearance. And you can also use this as a lip gloss as well. It goes really nicely over lipstick, and a little goes a long way. Well, that is our stay-at-home essential kit. Everything in here should last you about 3 months. If you're interested, please click the link below. Thank you. Have a good day.